Hello, everyone. We've got a lot to discuss today. That big
Hello everybody, welcome to the YouTube channel. This is Spana Jump here. So we're gonna do a live session here because I believe it's more easier for me to upload. I don't need to worry about the uploading. Okay. So before that, we're gonna go to this larger time frame. We're gonna start from Bitcoin first. Okay, I'm on a Bing X chart. Okay, I trust Bing X chart more. I don't know why. I just do. Okay, so let me take out my tools. So I'm actually looking for a this is already a completion 5-wave up, okay, and now I'm looking for a 3-wave pullback to the downside, back to the 50k region I've talked about many months ago. Okay, so the idea is remain the same, although I've charted it potentially for it to go to the upside, which is plausible as well. Okay, but let me just remind everybody, there is a bear divergence on the weekly, there is a bear divergence on the monthly. 4-hour is kind of like over you know over bought. Okay, and it has a bear divergence already on the daily. It's just overbought. It doesn't have any bear divergence, but potentially it might just roll over because, I mean, when the RSI is super overbought, it always indicates that market is about to do a correction or reverse temporarily. Okay, so let's go to the smaller time frame. Let's just take a look, like, what am I looking at right now? Okay, so this could potentially a 5-wave down, and now we have a 3-wave pullback. Now the 3-wave pullback is a little bit skeptic because for now, okay, I mean, all I see is it looks like a 3-wave up. Yeah, but then if the market makes another low and makes another high, which is plausible as well, but I just think that most likely to be done, like, because the market started with 3-wave at the bottom, so I believe that this could be a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, and then the wave 5 kind of like extended a little bit. Okay, I mean, the structure looks really good, like, for a 5-wave up. Okay, and so there's two options now. Either this is gonna look like a 3-wave pullback, or it can, slowly decline. All right, that is the idea right now. Okay, so a lot of people think that I'm being ridiculous, but I don't know. It's just that my thought. I mean, it's just my technical analysis is telling me that this is gonna go down. It's just that I can't really. I was trying to flip become a bull, but it was really hard for me like this few days. Like I keep thinking about it. I just think that the run is over and now we're just looking for another downside. Okay, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. It's okay. I guess I'll wait for the next bull run. I don't know when it's not gonna happen, but definitely there will come a time that it will be the next bull run, right? So, yeah. So I'm looking at this right now, and look, the structure here, is very corrective. Okay. So everything is three wave. Even this is three wave. Even this is three wave. Okay, even this is three wave. So the whole structure is all three wave-ish. So I don't know what we're looking at right now. Even this up move three wave, but it still comes down, right? So sometimes when this things happens like this, like you don't know what is going on, I would just like, okay, let me just zoom out a little bit. Like, okay, you zoom out a little bit and then you see, yeah, 5 wave up move, 3 wave pull back before going to the upside. Simple as that. Okay, whatever the sub move right here, sometimes we just can't tell like whether it's gonna be a bear market, whether it's gonna be a bull market. It's really hard. It's really hard. It's not easy. Okay. When I call that we're probably going to the upside like 2 years ago, okay, the market went up in a 5 wave and then pulled back, and then I said, hey, I think this is the pullback. We're probably going back to the upside. Better to DCA right here. Okay. I mean, I remembered I said that. And then things just go upside, right? So if I were to actually do a really count here, we're actually looking for like really low before going up. But then it never did. It never did. Like if you look at it, the market like didn't really even retrace properly. And then it just rally up, right? If I were looking at like that, I wouldn't have caught this part here, and we wouldn't have bought to the upside. Okay, that's the thing. Being bull, you just need to DCA. Okay, I mean, if you're bullish, then come on. You can always DCA. Like I mentioned, DCA here. DCA all the way down if you want to be bullish. Okay, but for now, I can't wrap my mind that this could be a finish move. Okay, I know a lot of people are gonna laugh at me regardless. You're gonna miss the bull run again. Yeah, probably I'm gonna miss the bull run, but I just think that it's just telling me, my guts are telling me this is an expanded flat. I'm not even joking. Like, I can't wrap my head out. It's been really struggle, to be honest. I know a lot of bullshit crapping right now. I just don't know what to say. Okay? I just don't know what to say. It's been already 10 minutes on the video. I'm still talking about, because I couldn't accept it. Like, I'm telling myself, no, this is the reverse. It's gonna go bull run, but it's just the market is telling me no. Okay. So let's go to a small time frame and let's take a look on the current move right now. Okay. Now, because I followed this, this is looking like a 3-wave up, and it's a 3-wave down. Okay, and then this is a 3-wave up. All right, and then we had this sideways. I believe it was a 4th wave. And I was expecting like maybe a 3-wave up finish move, but then it extended a little bit. Okay, but overall view on that last up move is that overall view, this, I mean, technically it can be a finish 3-wave up as well. Like this is a 3-wave down. Okay, it can be as well. Okay, so or it can be a simple ABC. I think a simple ABC does much more make sense, but it's just that I'm charting it as an expanded flat. Then I believe we are definitely looking for a potential. This was the up move. So which means yeah, the whole up move is finished. I believe it's finished. Okay. Sorry, it's taking a little bit slow because when it comes to real-time technical analysis on this is it's taking time sometimes. It's for me to process. Okay. I try to keep it brief. All right. Okay. So yeah. What is the target? Like if we pull the Fibonacci. Okay. Let's pull the Fibonacci, yeah, shall we? Okay. So yeah. The 1.272 lands on the 50K region. Of course, we can bounce somewhere around at a 1-to-1. Okay, so market can go like this, go bounce here, retest a little bit, and then go for another leg. Retest this level potentially, and then for another leg before moving back up to the upside. Okay, so that's the bear idea right now. We're still gonna have a bull run on 2025. It's just that we need this correction to be done before we heading back up to the upside. Okay, so that's the idea right now. Okay. I think that's gonna be it. I think I'm just gonna do a Bitcoin run up for the moment. I'll make more short videos in the future, okay? And just update what's going on. All right, thank you.